I got a question for you. Why do A-list copywriters, like top copywriters, almost never use copywriting templates, right? If all of these copywriting gurus are selling you templates, why, when you actually go into a marketing department or you connect with copywriters who are at the top of their game, why is it that the gurus that are selling you the templates are not seeing their templates being used by those top copywriters? That's what we're going to talk about today, why copywriting templates fail. These are the proven direct response marketing, copywriting, and entrepreneurship success strategies you can use today to write your own ticket and create the life you want. I am Roy Furr, and this is Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. Now, here's today's breakthrough. Okay, before we dive in, today's sponsor, as usual, is me, yours truly. Specifically, I want you to check out the link in the description to a free 3-day replay that I'm doing of a web class that I recorded a few weeks ago. It's how to create breakthrough big idea copy. How to create breakthrough big idea copy. It was put in the vault when the replay was done. I'm opening it up again for you for 3 days, and this is how to create powerful sales messages based on the 3 big idea types. The link is in the description. You can go check it out. You can sign up. You can watch it for free for the next 3 days. And with that, let's dive into why copywriting templates fail. So I want to make a distinction here. The type of copywriting templates that I'm talking about are basically fill in the blank. How to get XYZ benefit without XYZ pain in certain number of days or less, right? Yeah. Okay, so maybe that stuff can work. But the challenge comes when you create this sense of discontinuity, when you create the sense of doubt, when you create the sense of misfit, when you copy templates word for word, when you say, okay, I'm going to use this template like a fill in the blank. What happens is your copy reads in a way, your message reads in a way that is disjointed, that doesn't feel like a human being talking to you. And successful copywriting always feels like a human being talking to you. And so this idea of using templates and filling in your words in between their words, it leads to this disjointed voice. And if you want to be successful in marketing and copywriting, you need to find your own voice and know that your uniqueness, your unique choice of words, your unique language, your unique structure of communication, it is attractive. It's attractive to your prospects. And so you need to embrace the fact that your copywriting doesn't need to sound like everybody else's copywriting. And in fact, people are drawn to copywriting that feels like it has a personality, like it feels like it's unique. People are drawn to that type of sales message. And acknowledge that each message is unique. Each message that you're trying to put into the marketplace is unique. And what you need to do is you need to fit the structure and the style and the language of the copy to your unique messaging, your unique personality. You need to match the offer. You need to match the big idea that you have for your message. You need to match the media. So for example, like I still remember this like top copywriter from direct mail who he did this presentation. He gave a presentation from stage at a copywriting conference, and it was a great presentation full of a lot of value. But when it came time to actually do his pitch from the stage, the way that he spoke his pitch read or sounded like if you were to read his direct mail out loud. And the direct mail, the type of copywriting that he did was kind of over the top, and it just it was not a match between the message and the media. He had this structure of how he would do an offer. So it was like, and the total value is $56,983,000, but I'm not going to charge you $10,000. I'm not going to charge you $56,000. I'm not even going to charge you $50,000 or $40,000. And it was this weird like price drop thing where it was clear that he had this template for presenting an offer in direct mail, and it might have worked in direct mail, but it did not work from the media of standing on the stage presenting it in his own voice. And it felt awkward and almost nobody bought. And so you have to match the media, you have to match everything to the specific scenario, which templates most often fail to do. It's the old square peg, round hole phenomenon, right? Like you can't fit the square peg in the round hole. Or, like I like to refer to it, you end up with Mad Libs style copywriting. Mad Libs is where you take that sheet and you like fill in, okay, I need a noun here, and I need, an animal here, and I need action here, and I need like whatever, and then you read it, and it's funny because it doesn't fit. Well, you don't want your copywriting to feel funny because it doesn't fit. You want your copywriting to feel like a continuous message, like a message that fits together. So what do you do? Like, okay, so templates can work, but if you just do it in that way, templates don't really work. What's better than these superficial templates? Well, I, for a long time, have taught the deep structure of highly effective copywriting, which means instead of saying, oh, I want to fill in the blanks and get my sales message that way, I want to swipe by changing words and get my sales message that way. What I want to do here is I want to recognize that sales messages have a consistent deep structure. At a very, very high level. First, you need to make the attention sale. You need to get the attention of your target audience. Then you need to get them interested in whatever it is that you are saying, right? So you get their attention, then you get them interested in your message, and then you build desire for a particular solution, your product, your service, your offer. So that's attention, interest, desire, and then you get them to take action. You put an offer in front of them that aligns with that desire, and you get them to take action. And you can go into a lot more detail of that in terms of the deep structure of a selling message. So for example, most direct response sales pitches have an offer structure that's like, 10 or 11 items long, and you go into that and you present each element in order, and it makes for a very natural flow for the sales close. And so when you learn the deep structure, for example, like I introduce in that free web class, the How to Create Breakthrough Big Idea Copy, when you learn that deep structure, then you are much more effective at saying, okay, here is what I want to do. Like, here's the pitch that I want to make. How can I make sure that I cover all of the details, right? But I'm saying everything in my own unique way. I'm presenting everything in my own unique way. So that's my recommendation for you. Copywriting templates fail because you end up writing this weird stuff that sounds very much like copywriting, and it sounds very much like everybody else's copywriting, and it also feels disjointed in a way where your prospect can never really get a sense of, oh, this is a human being writing to me in their own personality, in their own unique voice. And instead, they're just like, okay, this is clearly someone trying to sell to me with like, blah, just like blah at me. And that's not what you want. That's not what converts. That's not what actually great copywriters do. Top copywriters often end up moving completely away from templates because they learn this deep structure, and then they just put the voice, the tone, the stories, the everything that is behind great copy into the copy without using some kind of template or trying to shortcut the process in any way. And that's what makes their copy better. So learn the deep structure and stop trying to use templates, and your copy will be better. And don't forget, check the link in the description to How to Create Breakthrough Big Idea Copy, the 3-day free replay of the web class that I was recorded, so you can get instant access to the entire thing. It's available for a limited time. I'm Roy Furr. This is Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. Hey, every day I'm trying to increase your marketing genius one episode at a time. And I believe that if you start focusing on how to capture your own unique voice instead of how to copy somebody else's copywriting words and superficial details, you will increase your marketing genius. So I hope that I've done it here. I hope that you see that, and I'll catch you again in the next episode. See you soon. Bye. Thank you once again for tuning in to this daily episode of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. Remember, check out the links with this episode for even more value. Now make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and engage in every way you can to keep this show going and growing and delivering daily value to you. I'll catch you soon for your next big breakthrough.